back to another spectacular video on how to improve your public speaking skills and get rid of your stage fear. Today, you will learn how to use school clubs to help you get rid of your stage fear and improve your public speaking skills. To start off with, you can join clubs to help you improve your public speaking. If you are just in elementary school, there may not be as many choices as the students may have in high school. But what you can do in elementary school is sign up for public speaking contests, be part of the talent show, or be part of a school play. This way, you'll get used to performing in a big audience. When giving a speech later in the future, you won't be as nervous because now you have some experience. In high school, there'll be different kinds of clubs, like mock trial clubs, TEDx, debate club, and many other clubs that involve enhancing public speaking skills. These clubs are more advanced because they involve different types of public speaking. In order to get involved in advanced clubs in high school, it is good to involve and develop as many engagements as possible while you are elementary school, as a playing field to practice and make all those mistakes and correct them. Having great public speaking skills will bring you success in any career of your choice in your future. I'll talk about this in detail in my next video. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will join public speaking groups. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share among friends and families. Bye for now, till we meet again.